Hi everyone, Oleg Tkach here with your weekly rate update. And the Fed met this week. Pretty much all the comments that they made were as expected. They're looking at a September rate cut as long as the data shows it. They like what they're seeing. They're finally seeing inflation where they want to see it and all that. Now, the one thing that they did mention is that the job market still relatively is strong. Now, keep in mind they met on Wednesday. Thursday, we have a unemployment report that comes out and it shows unemployment a lot higher than expected. And today, Friday, we had a jobs report and new job creations were way lower than expected. So basically, the final part that the Fed's been fighting, the job market, the job sector, it's finally all come together, and now the job market is not strong whatsoever. The rate market completely rallied from a standpoint of rates coming down. They like the news. They like the fact that the Fed now sees what it needs to see with the job market, and now all of a sudden their only question is, how aggressive does the Fed have to go to avoid a recession and get that soft landing? Overall, super positive week for rates. You could say one of the most positive weeks we've seen in a very long time. We're coming into a year and a half low in interest rates as they go down into the mid sixes, the average rate being the mid sixes. And if we look back a few months ago, the average rate was mid sevens. So you could say that we've significantly come down over the last few months, and it appears that we kind of set the stage with all the data that this is the beginning to rates continuing to come down as more data comes out. Now, with that said, the market is volatile, and it will be volatile until cuts start happening and until we are for sure kind of in this new rate range. We do have some inflation reports coming out before the Fed meets in September. There's more jobs reports. So unless something crazy happens and we see elevated inflation, which is very, very unlikely, so again, very small chance, or something crazy happens with the jobs, which again, small chance. Unless something happens, we are going to continue to see rates in the new kind of positive territory and continuing to improve. So there you have it. That is your weekly rate update. Definitely positivity for rates, and hopefully they'll continue. Until next time.